Hi, this is Dr. John Quackenbush, and I'd like to share with you 3 ways that I help people who have been involved in auto accidents. First and foremost, we get you to understand that there's 3 phases of healing. Those 3 phases are the inflammatory phase, the repair phase, and the remodeling phase. My treatment for your auto accident injuries is customized to exactly what phase of care you're in. In other words, you don't come into my office and you get the same thing for every treatment. Your treatment is constantly changing because we're taking you through the healing phase. In the inflammation phase, we're doing therapies that are guided towards decreasing the inflammation. When you move into the repair phase, the most important thing to realize is that you need to go through some type of physical medicine that will help you improve the 3 types of ranges of motion that you need to be returned to normal. Because if you don't have these 3 ranges of motion returned to normal, you're setting yourself up for a permanent injury. And I think this is so important, and I'm going to discuss those 3 ranges of motion with you right now. The first range of motion is an active type of range of motion. That's you turning your own head, moving your head left to right or up and down. Then there's passive type of range of motion. That's where you're assisted in gaining more range of motion, and that's where chiropractic comes into play. But most importantly, of those 3 ranges of motion, the third is called joint play. And that's where chiropractic and physical medicine excel at helping you to return to a normal state of healthy being following auto injuries or whiplash type injuries. But the second thing that we do for our auto accident injury victims is to document your case. We document the facts of your case. We document the facts of the type of healing and what stages that you're in. But more importantly, the second leads into the third. And the third thing that we will do for you is that we are willing, with our documentation, to testify in court to the facts of the case, to what actually took place during your auto accident. And I would like you to know that there's not many doctors that are willing to do that, and I am. So that is the 3 ways that I help any and all of my auto accident patients.